Hello guys, this is Samriddhi. Welcome to my channel Sky with Chris and Tarot. I've already shuffled your cards and I've got all these cards. I'll just explain you have to as to how this reading will go about. The first three cards that you see, these cards are your past, your present, and your near future. So I've taken clarifiers for these as well. And I forgot to specify, this reading is for fire sign, that is Aries, Leos and Sag. So three cards which I've got for you is the Star card, Wheel of Fortune and King of Pentacles. Clarifiers we have got as Ace of Swords, Hangman, Nine of Swords, Page of Swords, Devil, Sun card, Two of Pentacles and Ace of Cups. So we'll start with the reading. So the cards that you have got, first three cards, main cards would be the Star card, the Wheel of Fortune and King of Pentacles. I can see you are currently you might be thinking, there's a lot of thinking process that is going on. It could be overthinking as well, and this overthinking might be draining you. You might feel that you're stuck in one situation, and there's a lot of overthinking that is going, and you feel this is something that is depleting your energy. The Star card is you have a hope, and with the help of guidance you are wishing for this fulfillment. And it's the luck or the fate or it's a destiny that is helping you out. To achieve this, a King of Pentacles is someone who is very wealthy, an independent person, mature person, a prosperous man. So for some it could be that whatever hopes you have, maybe this can be regarding money, or it could also be that you are dealing with earth sign, that is Virgo, Taurus or Capricorn. So there's a kind of hope. You hope that this person should come back, or it could also be that you hope that you get a new job or a new opportunity, and this is divinely guided, I would say. So whatever is coming to you, maybe it's a job or it's a person, could be an earth sign as I specified earlier. So this is divinely guided, and whatever wish that you have will definitely be fulfilled. Now let us see as to what are the clarifiers. We have got Ace of Swords, the Hanged Man, and the Nine of Swords. So maybe you are finding it difficult to see as currently you might be finding it difficult to see as to how it works out to be, or you might be finding it difficult to get your way out. There's a lot of anxiety during this process, but then maybe you have sacrificed a lot to come up to this to be in that situation or to come up from this situation. There was a lot of waiting period that is also involved in this, and as I mentioned earlier, whatever you're thinking for will be yours, and this will be guided by the angels. So currently you are unaware about how the situation will turn out to be, but then definitely, because you have invested a lot of time here, there was a lot You might have also given up few things which were very dear and near to you. But then you were not finding the way out. It was difficult for you to see as to how you were supposed to come out of this. But I would say that the knowledge that you have, or whatever the experience that you have gained, that will help you out to come out of this situation. So you could be analyzing a situation and taking a realistic approach. Now let us see as to what the next cards are saying. So we have got the Page of Swords, Ten of Swords, and the Devil. So here I can see that there's some kind of addiction. You feel attached to something that is not good for you, and you know that. And this might be very stressful as well. I feel that you feel that you have been in this situation for such a long duration of time that you no longer want to take any actions, because you feel that whatever I had to do, I've already done. What can anyone expect out of me? But then maybe that's for a shorter duration of time. So could be you are into a situation that you're not happy with, or it could be people around you might be talking something about you which you are not agreeing to. So you feel that this is kind of a toxic environment that you're in. But then if people are talking about you, it doesn't mean that what people are talking about you might be true, because I think a person himself knows. If you are the only one who know yourself very well. I think that other person cannot judge, cannot give opinion about you. They might give you opinion, but then it's up to you. It's your perception as to how you take it. So maybe the situation that you are there in, it could be anything. It could be your work environment. It could be someone in your from the office might be having this gossip about you. But I don't think you have to worry about these things, because people do talk about us, but then we are the one to decide as to what is right and what is wrong. Okay, for King of Pentacles, we have got clarifiers as the Sun card, the Two of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. So Sun card, maybe you're dealing with other fire sign, that is Aries, Leos, or Sag. I've got Two of Pentacles and Ace of. So you're definitely getting an offer. Could be that you're getting an offer from an earth sign, or you're getting a new job opportunity. And whatever offer that you get will make you feel happy. But when you get this offer, might be you're having some other things as well in your mind. So you could be judging between two things. Maybe there's one opportunity where there's one opportunity definitely where you're given more importance to. So maybe you are thinking that you might take that opportunity. And as I mentioned earlier, whatever is coming to you is divinely guided. This is destined. It will happen. So it's just that you need to wait. Have patience. So whatever you're wishing for is definitely coming to you. It's just that you need to have patience, have a realistic approach, get rid of the addiction that you see. If you see there's a toxic environment, just whatever, if it's a difficult time, just make sure you learn something out of it, because there's no point in cribbing, because everyone has this problem, but then or whatever difficulties we have, but I think it should be as a learning experience. It will be difficult for you, but then I think by the way of knowledge that you have, I can see, by the way of knowledge and your wisdom, you will be able to take a very good decision which will turn out to be in your favor. So I'll sum up your reading by stating that there's a wish that you have, and for that wish you have given a lot of sacrifices. There was longing, there was a very this was for a very this wish for which you had in your mind is for a very long duration of time. There was a lot of waiting period in this. There were a lot of sacrifices, because currently, and you are in a situation where you're not able to look ahead. So maybe with the help of your knowledge and wisdom, you'll be taking these actions. But this process that you're going through would be little difficult, I would say. You feel that as if your energy is getting it's draining energy. And I can also see that there's some kind of environment that you are in currently which is a little toxic. Maybe gossip, as I mentioned earlier. But then at the end, you'll be taking this opportunity. Whatever wish that you have, you'll be taking this, which is destined to happen, I would say. Which will make you a very prosperous, if it's a job opportunity that you get, or it could also be an earth sign that is coming, who is approaching you, who is giving this cup of love to you. Yes. So this is my reading for fire sign, Aries, Leos and Sag. This is for the month Jan 2022. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe it, do like the video. Just let me know if this reading resonates you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.